Welcome to Module 1, Lesson 3 of our comprehensive course on library marketing, Strategies for Engaging Your Audience. In this lesson, we'll explore the need for marketing and outreach, understanding the why. Let's get started. Before we delve into the hows and whats of library marketing, it's crucial to understand the fundamental why behind it. As libraries, we have a vast array of services and resources to offer, but without effective marketing and outreach, our target audience might not be aware of them. Therefore, we need to develop a clear message and identify the key services that require more promotion and outreach. The first step in effective library marketing is crafting a compelling message. This message should reflect the library's values, mission, and the unique benefits it offers to its users. A clear and consistent message helps establish the library identity and resonates with the target audience. For example, a message like unlocking knowledge, empowering minds communicates the library's commitment to fostering learning and research. Not all services and resources provided by the library require the same level of promotion. It's essential to identify key services that may need more attention to increase their utilization. This identification can be based on usage data, user feedback, and the library's strategic goals. An example of this might be, usage surveys may reveal that electronic resources have lower usage rates than physical collections, making them a priority for promotion. Usage surveys play a vital role in determining what needs marketing priority. They provide valuable insights into user preferences, satisfaction levels, and areas of improvement. By analyzing survey data, we can prioritize services that align with users' needs and expectations. A strong value proposition is at the heart of effective library marketing. It communicates the unique value that the library brings to its users and distinguishes it from other institutions or platforms. This value proposition serves as the foundation for all marketing efforts. A value proposition centered on connecting the community through knowledge and innovation emphasizes the library's role as a community hub for learning and collaboration. Library marketing can have different objectives depending on the library's overall strategy. It can focus on building trust and credibility with the community, establishing the library as a reliable resource. On the other hand, it can directly promote specific services or programs to drive engagement. Trust-building campaigns may highlight the library's commitment to privacy and access to unbiased information, while direct promotion may showcase a new online research tool. The main reason behind any library marketing campaign needs to align with the library's fundamental values and mission. It should resonate with the library's overall objectives and contribute to its long-term goals. This ensures that marketing efforts are purposeful and consistent. Congratulations! You've completed Module 1, Lesson 3, The Need for Marketing and Outreach, Understanding the Why. By now, you understand that marketing is not just about promoting services, but connecting the library's values with the needs of its users. Thanks for following along.